In today's video, I am bringing you the best diabetic dill pickle recipe. Y'all, this is delicious. You're never gonna buy them dill pickles at the store again because I'm gonna show you how to make this. It's amazing, it's delicious. Grab your pen and paper, let's go. So the first thing we're gonna do, grab your mason jars. I have big ones around the house. Don't panic over this. You're gonna use what you have. If you find big ones, use big ones. If you find small ones, use small ones. And then we're gonna grab that onion. I have an onion here and I'm gonna slice it very thin. Now these are the questions that I'm gonna get. Can I use red peppers? Can I use this? Can I use that? The simple answer, please, absolutely. I want this to work for you and your family. So please, gang, use what you have. Make this fun. I mean, I can't stress that enough to everybody. And if you're wondering who I am, my name is Dietitian Shelly. I run a private practice during the day. I work with folks with weight loss, with a focus on lowering blood sugars, hormone control. Be sure to subscribe to this channel because I give some fun tips. Take those cucumbers there. We have one. We're going to slice it into a coin cut. One of these cucumbers, 30 calories, 6 grams of carbs, 2 grams of fiber for a total of 4 net carbs. Because you know what, gang? I just don't eat one pickle. I eat a lot. So after that's all cut up, you're going to combine that in your jar. Now don't panic if it all doesn't fit, because obviously you can see as I'm loading this up in this jar, it's not fitting. And then at the top of it, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of garlic. I'm lazy. I'll be the first to admit. Actually, no, I'm not lazy. I'm just very strategic with my time. Why cut it up when I can buy it in the jar already cut? And I know there's going to be somebody out there who's going to fuss, and go on and fuss, baby, because I'm just not going to change my ways. So you can cry and scream. I'm just not going to change it. Transitioning over, put that aside. I have in a measuring cup, a half cup of water, and I'm going to add to it a half cup of my rice vinegar. You can see that I got this at the good old Kroger. Add to it a half a teaspoon of your Redmond Real Salt and about a 1/4 teaspoon of Swerve. So Swerve is made from select ingredients from different fruits and vegetables. So it's 0 calorie, it's non-GMO, it is absolutely awesome. But the only thing I disagree with Swerve and a lot of our other sugar replacers, be it you use allulose, be it you use monk fruit, is that I don't measure cup for cup. I feel like it gives an aftertaste when it does that. And I'm gonna do a video down the road on how to cook with sugar replacers because we make a lot of mistakes. But I encourage you to use half the amount. So if you use a cup of sugar, use a cup of Swerve, or if the recipe calls for a cup of Swerve, use half a cup. It's really gonna make a difference in that taste. Little surprise for y'all, gang. I have been growing a garden. So this is downstairs in my garage. So garages are not clean, they're not perfect. So just deal. I have 2 kids, there's junk everywhere. I'm trying at this. I wish I could say my first round with growing herbs went wonderful. You can kind of see it's a little lackluster, but the dill did take. We take that dill, we're gonna wash it, we're gonna throw it in that jar. And because I use the measuring cup, we are just gonna pour that liquid mixture over the top of it. Y'all, this is so easy. We're just gonna close that jar, give it a good shake. And if you missed a little bit of the ingredients, no worries. Scroll in that description box. And gang, I'm Dietitian Shelly. Much love to you all. Be sure to like this video and subscribe.